Car corner pace truck are out. I'd like to say something about Mike Beyer here, but we got to go back to racing. We'll talk about Mike later. I got a little side note for him too. As Adam Peschick is going to bring them around. We're going late model racing. Here they come. Green flag and we're racing. And it's going to be Adam Peschick a little sideways. Jake Van Oske taking advantage of that. Here, oh, Jerry Stafford bounces off the wall. We're all good. It's Peschick going a little sideways as the horsepower is showing. It's a little slick. Mitch Garfield on the outside of Adam Peschick. It's Jake Van Oske, your leader, though. Mitch Garfield trying to secure second. Mike Beyer's going to go with them. Jerry Stafford taking that 7 car into the pits as the rear end's all over the place. Jake Van Oske not bothering him whatsoever, so he's going to try to pull away and get his first heat win of the 2020 season. Mitch Garfield not far behind. Right now, Jake Van Oske with a 13.977 for lap time that last time around. Mitch Garfield with a 14.169. Mike Beyer right there wanting to make a move. That time Mike Beyer a little bit of a faster lap than Mitch Garfield. So it looks like Mike Beyer might have a faster car than Mitch Garfield. Jake Van Oske, no worries in the world, as these guys are going to go for 10 laps this time. Late model heats are 10 laps. Jake Van Oske in that blue and orange car going by. 6 in, 4 to go. Mike Beyer on the inside of Mitch Garfield. Will he make his move? Here we go. Can they hold their line? Whoa, they made contact. Woo, that inside's tough. It's Beyer. He gets around Mitch. Mitch says, I didn't like that. But now he's clear. Peschick might want to make a move on Mitch Garfield as well now. And we got a battle in the back between Willie Nelson and Johnny Beinlick. Beinlick looks like he's off the pace just a little bit there, maybe trying to get something figured out. First night bugs in the car. White flag out for Jake Van Oske. John Beinlick taking it into the pits at 93 car, so they got to get something figured out. But everything looking nice and clear for Jake Van Oske. The race might be for second place. Let's see what happens. So it's going to be Van Oske, Beyer for second, Garfield for third, Peschick for fourth, Willie Nelson in fifth, and sixth would be John Beinlick, and seventh would be Jerry Stafford. Let's hope that Beinlick and Stafford can get it figured out. But I know this driver very happy to get a win here. Another one of our drivers on the Big 8 Series late models. They'll be touring all over the place. Nice looking car. This driver's out of Hartford, Wisconsin, driving a 2022 Chevy Impala SS. Sponsored by Bunzel's Meat Market, IBEW 494, Broadway Auto Sales, Case Marina, Reed Racing, and Gelato Towing. Oh boy, look at the late models. And I believe this is going to be our fast dash, or fast heat I should say. Out here in the cars, you've got a throwback